Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I was going through my list of videos to decide what I was going to film this week, and I thought you guys actually really enjoy my hauls, so I'm back with another one. As you can see by the title, it's Home Bargains. I absolutely love this shop, and me and my friend went again the other day to pick up some like stationery and stuff like that. I did just plan to look around, but I got like some bits and pieces, and as it's a bargain store, I got some really good bargains. I'm also really sorry I didn't upload last Sunday. I've been really busy, had loads going on, and you can probably tell because I've still got my Christmas cushions up. So yeah, just been really busy, but I'm back. I got in from work about 10 minutes ago and I decided to come upstairs and just start filming straight away. Why is there an ice cream van? It's 6:30 at night. So yeah, I just walked through the door and I decided I have loads of motivation and I really want to get loads of videos filmed, ready to go out in the next few weeks. If you do like this video, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and without further ado, let's get into the video. So, we may as well start with this. This is a huge storage box. Actually, it's not that big. I picked this storage box up on my way out. I'd already picked everything and I saw it, and it just goes with basically the theme of everything I've bought, and it goes with my room, and I really love marble effects. So I need a new storage box anyway because I've just got so much rubbish lying around the room. I mean, right now my feet are resting on like loads of clothes and makeup and stuff like that because I've just got nowhere to put them. I believe it was around £3, so not bad at all. It's a decent size. And yeah, I've just got everything inside of it, so let's get started. So I may as well just go in the order that they are in the box. To be honest, this is probably one of my favourite things that I got. So it's this really pretty notebook, but it's like a planner inside. So it says positive mind, positive vibes, positive life. So really motivational, and I think it's just going to really help me out with planning YouTube and stuff like that. I've decided to have a few separate notebooks and folders and stuff like that just dedicated to YouTube and my content creation and all of my online stuff. I'm actually working on a Plan Your Life for 2020 video, so that will be up very soon, and I'm so passionate about this because I love being organised. I absolutely love it. Like, I couldn't live without being organised and having everything written down and using all the different apps and different books that I use. So yeah, that's coming very soon and it's going to be a good one. So the cover of it is actually magnetic, so this bit is magnetic, which I thought was really cool, and then it opens up. It's got really pretty patterns and colours. I just really like it. And then this is what made me buy this for YouTube planning. So it has a weekly agenda where I can basically just write all of my video plans and stuff like that in there. These rip off as well, so once you're done with one, move on to the next week. Then it's got today's to-dos, which again is like a one where you can just peel it off once you're done with it. So they look like that, and you get 3 different patterns. And then the last one is like these little motivational sticky notes. So you've got you go girl, priority, you got this, and busy being important. So they're just like little stickies you can stick on stuff, write on them, really motivational and really pretty. So I can't wait to start using that for planning. To be fair, I'm probably going to go downstairs in a minute and just write everything in it. To go along with that, I have my Happy Thoughts notebook. I was so glad I found this because it looked like there was only one left. It was right on the front of the shelf, but it was like a little bit battered. So me and Elena dug through the shelf and we managed to find 2 at the very back. So yeah, we actually did find some, and I'm just absolutely in love with it. So like I said, I love marble, you know I love my rose gold and the light pink colour as well. The pages are also like properly rose gold. So I just think that's beautiful, and it's too beautiful to take to work. I want to use it for YouTube. This is staying in the house. So the next things I picked up were some hair treatments. So I've been conscious of my hair for a while because it's not terrible, but it's not really healthy, and it snaps and it feels like dry and brittle sometimes. It doesn't grow very long because it just constantly snaps. So I thought it's about time that I up my hair treatment. I do want to get Olaplex, and I think I will probably get it soon, especially because I want to top up my balayage again, so I'm going to need to take good care of it. But for now, I thought I'd go with these shampoos and conditioners. So I've seen this brand around for ages. I don't even know how you pronounce it. Is it OGX? Anyways, they're easily recognizable. They have them in Superdrug and Boots and all over the place, and they're normally like £7 there. But in Home Bargains I found them for £2.50 each. So I thought that was amazing, so I had to get them. I got the coconut water versions, so it's weightless hydration, and it says drench your hydrated strands in this ultra lightweight hydrating formula with coconut water, electrolytes and coconut oil. This supercharged blend helps to transform dry, parched hair into silky shiny perfection. And the reason why I'm so drawn to these is because they're sulfate free. Not all of them are, so make sure you check, but if they are, it would say it above their logo. So basically that just means it doesn't have sulfate in, which is really harsh for your hair. So it should repair it and make it so much more healthy. So I tried these last night in the shower, and to be fair, my hair is actually feeling quite like soft and not as brittle already. So I'm going to keep on using them and see how it goes. And then from the same brand, I also got this Bamboo Fibre Full Thickening Root Booster. So what you do with this is you spray it on to like your roots and your strands, either when your hair's wet or dry, and it kind of gives it like more volume. It has bamboo fibres and soy protein. It's got stuff that like protects your hair as well. So yeah, I'm going to start using this and see how it goes. And I had to just pick up everything that was marble, so I actually got this in good timing. I got this marble and rose gold umbrella, and I got it in such good timing because the day after it started chucking down. It's been chucking down for days now. So I've got my neon sheep one somewhere, but I really don't have a clue where it's gone. I need to kind of tidy up a bit and find that. And this umbrella was £3.99, so I think that's a bargain because it's really, really pretty. Next, I got some luggage scales. Pretty boring, but something that everyone needs. These were only, I think they were like £1.50 if not less, and I'm going on holiday in April, so this will be perfect because obviously you've got to stay under your luggage allowance. Now, I know I got 2 photo albums for Christmas, but I couldn't resist. This one's so pretty and it's just nice and little. It's also got smaller sized slots for images. The other one I had was 7x5, so now I've got a 6x4 as well, which means I've got like a bit more variety. I haven't actually opened it yet. I'm going to open it now, so I want to actually see inside. Yeah, so it's just pretty standard. Got 4 slots on each page and space to write and put like little notes in. So I'm gonna fill that up because my free prints just came. I've just tipped them out everywhere, man. So I got loads of stuff of free prints, all 6x4 size. So there's me and Stephen. By the way, it's our anniversary today, 4 years. So yeah, I'm going to start filling that up tonight after my tea. I currently have sweet potatoes cooking in the oven, so I'm trying to be healthy, getting on the grind. It's January, yeah. Then the last few things I picked up was this big file in the same stationery range as I've already shown you before. Everything is just so beautiful and I had to get it. So it's got a little clipboard at the front. And then inside it's like a huge notepad, like a proper jotter. And it has this little pocket so you can put all your files. I'd love to use this for YouTube planning, but in all fairness, I think this would be more handy for work because I go into meetings and stuff. You can put all my files in there and make notes like I do on a daily, so I'll see what I do with it, but yeah, I think I probably will use it for work. I think this was only $1.99 or $1.49, something along those lines. Everything's cheap, it's Home Bargains. Go there, I recommend it. I then got some bliss sticks. I had some a while ago and it completely went missing, so I got the bliss sticks Sensational Strawberry, and it's so nice, it's so soft, and if you've got dry lips like me, like I highly recommend it because I can't go without it now. I need to put this on like 3 times a day and it makes your lips so hydrated. It tastes really nice too, so not that I've eaten it, but you know what I mean. To go along with the stationery, I got the zebra pens. I love this brand, always get their pens, but these ones are slightly different to the other ones. They're a little bit more, they look better quality, they've got like metal on, and they're just a really nice colour and they're really nice writers. So I got a 2-pack of them. And the last thing I got was this foundation brush. It's an Olivia Hale foundation brush. It was really cheap, it was like £2. But I've decided to switch back to brushes for the time being because beauty blenders just aren't doing it for me. My foundation's not staying on great and I'm using so much more product than I have to. So I got this and I tried it out today, and honestly it is really good for a cheap brush. I'm going to invest in some good ones soon, but this is just what you need really. Yeah, if you're on a budget for makeup brushes and stuff like that, I would recommend Home Bargains because they do have like quite a lot of really good stuff. And that's everything, so I hope you've enjoyed. I know it's been a short video, so I am sorry about that, but I am working on some other stuff which I'm about to go film. So yeah, if you have enjoyed, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye!